Yes. Okay, good afternoon, children. We'll
Good
start the
afternoon,
class.
ma'am.
Discussing about area of parallelogram and
Yes,
area
ma'am.
of triangle, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Devika, what is the area of a parallelogram?
Base into height.
Base into height. And if base is given, height is area is given, how will you find the height?
Ma'am, area divided by base.
Area divided by the base. Okay, Anna, if it is given, base is given and area is given, height we have to find out. So
Ma'am, area divided by height.
area divided, height we have to find out. So area divided by
Area divided by base.
base, isn't it? Area divided by base. So you can just transpose the formula and then find out accordingly. Now we have done one problem based on that. Remaining I'll give you now. Listen. Second one. This is base is not given. Second one.
Ma'am,
Exercise.
second one we have to find the base.
Yes.
It is different
Take
from
down
the
the problem. It is base. So height is given.
Ma'am, should we write it in the textbook or notebook? I mean lecture notebook.
No, write it in the textbook itself. This is, if you have started with the notebook, you one or two questions you can write in the
Ma'am, I
note.
forgot
Remaining, you can fill in the text.
to write the A.
You
That's
can
why
write
I'm
in the
asking.
text. To write in the
Ma'am, so the problem, like how you are writing the
one example, any one problem you write in the note.
only one. Okay, ma'am.
Only
then I will
one.
write this because I forgot.
Like finding height, finding base. One
Yes,
problem,
ma'am.
one example you can write in the note. Remaining you can write in the lecture note. Height,
Yes, ma'am.
page number. Take that chapter exercise
Ma'am, page
number
number
is
is 216, ma'am.
216. Okay. So first one we have done, no? 246
Yes,
area.
ma'am, the answer is 12.3.
Yeah. So then second one is like this. It is height is given, area is given. Height is given as 8.4 centimeter and area.
Ma'am, B, ma'am, B.
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
15
B, ma'am,
centimeter.
Ma'am, we are
Okay.
doing the B.
B we are doing. Okay.
Yeah,
Then
ma'am, B.
height is given 15 centimeter and base is area is given 154.5
154.5 centimeters.
centimeter square area. Now you have to find the base. Do it. Second one.
Ma'am,
B.
Ma'am, 10.3.
10.3. Okay, 10.3.
10.3 centimeters.
Correct. So area by height. Area by height. So that is equal to 154.5 divided by 15. Right? So how will you do this decimal division, children? Simply divide it like ordinary numbers. 1545 divided by 15. So 15 ones are 15. 4 is not divisible. Put a 0 there. Bring down 5. So 15 into 3, 45. Now you got one not. Simply division. 15 ones are 15. 4 you will write down, isn't it? 4 is not divisible by 15. So put 0. No. Put a 0. There is no decimal point in the question. Okay, we remove the decimal point, simply divide as usual numbers. 0. Then comes, take down the next number, 45. 15 3s are
Ma'am,
45.
103, ma'am.
So 103 we got. Now
Yes,
check the
ma'am.
decimal point in the question. 1.
Ma'am, there is one only decimal. So,
Answer is
Point
10.3
10.3.
centimeter or centimeter.
Ma'am, in division from the right?
When it is dividing, the point will move to the left. Isn't it? If it is multiplication,
Ma'am,
point
from
will
the
move to the right.
Left to the right. Oh, yes.
Okay, next question. Next one is next one. Also same height is given 8.4 and area is given 48.72.
Ma'am, in the exam, we can do like the short forms like H and A, B.
You can do, but answer should be same. Answer you should get correct. Method is not a problem for the exam. You should know the division. Okay, you cannot use calculators. Any method means you cannot, doesn't mean you
No,
can.
ma'am, I was like, is there any formal, like, if is there
No,
any
no, no, no. You can, decimal division you should know. Here, what do you do? Come on. Ashram, can you answer this one? Ashram Krishna? Tell me the formula. How will you find base? Base is the question here. Base. We want to find the base.
A by H.
Very good. Area by height. Isn't it? Area by height. So what is it? 48.72
48.72.
by 8.4. Now you know how to divide with the decimal, children. I have taught you know how to do the decimal by another decimal. What is the first step?
Ma'am, we should
Ma'am, we
divide
should multiply it with the like 10, 100 and all.
First step
How
is
many, ma'am, in the denominator, how many?
remove the
digits are there?
decimal point from the denominator, isn't it?
Yes. Yes,
Remove
yes.
the decimal point from the denominator. So how many decimal places are here in the
Ma'am,
question?
only one.
One.
Only one.
Multiply
Ma'am,
by 10.
to
So
10.
numerator also multiplied by 10.
So
Multiply by 10. Now we
487.
will
Ma'am,
get
so 487
7.2 by
by 84.
84.
84.
So decimal is removed from the denominator, isn't it? Here you know by 10 means the decimal will move to one place to the right. Multiplication,
Right, because as it is
decimal will move to the right. So 487.2 by 84. Now you simply divide the number as usual and you can check the decimal point in the question where it is. Accordingly, answer will come. Come on, do it.
Can I say the answer?
Yes, who is it, Anna?
Ma'am, it's my
Limiter.
ma'am Fidel.
Fidel. Okay, Fidel, come on.
Ma'am, 5.8 centimeter.
5.8 centimeter is the answer. Correct. 5.8 centimeter you will get. Divide it as simply as the numbers, then put the decimal point. Did you all get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
5.8 centimeter. Fraction division I have taken before. Division of a decimal by another decimal. See, here denominator also contains decimal points, isn't it? So what you have to do is remove the decimal from the denominator first. So here how many places are there? How many decimal places? 1. So multiply by 10. If it was 2 decimal place, we will multiply by 100. So numerator also you will multiply by the same number. Then you will get it like this. Then you know how to divide, no? Okay, children. Next one you do yourself and tell me the answer. One D is there. D. What is the answer? Next question. Height is height you have to find out. Base is given, area is given. What is the answer? Balashankar. Balashankar, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Find out the answer and tell me the answer now. D. Question number D in your textbook. It is given 15.6 is the base and 16.38 is the area. All others do it. Okay, not
Ma'am,
only
I got
Balashankar, I'll be calling anybody.
Ma'am, I got it.
Who is it? Balashankar?
Ma'am, Anna.
Anna. Wait, Anna. Let me see. Balashankar is getting the answer. Then I'll call you. Yes. Okay. Balashankar, did you get the answer? It is given here like this. Base is 15.6. Sorry, 5.6 or 15.6. 15.6 centimeters. And then area is given 16.38. Area is equal to 16.38 centimeters. Now, centimeter square. Now we have to find height. Height. Balashankar, can you tell me what is the formula? What is the formula to find out height from this? Balashankar, he's there? Yes, no?
Ma'am, Balshang is there, but his videos often not respond.
Balashankar, are you hearing me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Prisa, come on. Yes, Prisa, what is your doubt? Okay, Anna, tell me the answer. Area, height, how will you find out?
Ma'am, area divided by base.
Area divided by base. Okay, this, what is his name? Rachel George is given. Rachel. Okay.
Ma'am,
Francis.
it's Francis, ma'am.
Okay, Francis Richard. Francis, tell me the answer. What is the answer?
Ma'am, A divided by B. A divided by B.
A divided by B. So what is A?
A 16.38 cm.
By B is?
By 15.6 cm.
Okay. Now what is the answer? Final answer you get?
1 minute. Okay. 1
Remove the
minute.
decimal
Can I?
point. Yes.
Ma'am, can
Anna, okay.
Ma'am, 1.05 centimeter.
1.05. 1.05. So here also you see, remove the decimal point from the denominator. So into 10, isn't it? Into 10. So you will get it as 163.8 divided by 156, children. Now simply divide it like numbers and then you will get the answer as 1.05 centimeters. Centimeters, don't write centimeter square because it is not area, it is base only we are finding. Okay. Now, next problems are same, I think. Same type, right? No, it is about triangles. That we can do.
Yes, ma'am. That is
One
area of the
example.
triangles, ma'am.
One example is enough. No, remaining you will do as homework.
Ma'am, finding the height.
Yeah, that is all. Only that. So we'll do one example of that. Remaining you do as homework. One or two problems, three problems are there. One of them we can do. Now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, who is it? Calling me and then keeping quiet. Who is that?
Ma'am, it's Risa, ma'am.
Rita, what is the problem, Rita? Hello? Risa? No answer. Many of the videos are off. What is this? Switch on the video, all of you. Harriet, Balashankar.
Ma'am, I have some network issues. So if I turn on my video, my net will go.
Okay. Come on, then that is why I am not able to question many of the students. I'm not seeing them when I call, their connection is gone.
Ma'am, Kanishka said that, ma'am, you have
Yes.
disabled video and audio.
Disabled the video. No. I have not disabled anybody's video. See, this chat, share screen. It will come like that, but we have not given. Okay, I will just no problem here. Now, next question is about triangles. Find the missing values. Find the missing values. It is given like this, but actually this area of the triangle is given base into height. Children, but before that, What is the area of a triangle? Fidel?
base.
Half into base into height. Okay.
Height, ma'am.
So if we want to find the base, what we will do? These things you have
Ma'am,
to.
half divided by h.
This we have to bring here. This height also we have to bring here. This side, isn't it? So
Yes.
we have to make breadth. This base stand there alone. Listen. We want to find the base. So base should be standing there alone. Remaining we have to bring to the left side. Transpose to the left side. So
Yes, ma'am.
area
So
is
it will
here.
be division.
So half will be becoming 2, isn't it? Denominator will become numerator. Then this one height will be the numerator. It will become the denominator.
Yes, ma'am. Division.
So base is equal to what? 2 times a by height. Area of the parallelogram is base into height. And explain to you later. Now 2a by h is the base. Now can you tell me what will be a base h then? H will be same, no? 2 times a by
2a by b.
b. 2 times area by breadth. Write it down. Write down this. Area is given.
Ma'am, can you explain?
Ma'am, base will write like this 2a by h.
2a by h.
We will find the height.
Height is equal
Ma'am.
to 2a by breadth.
When
can you
the
explain
base.
Ma'am, can you explain this?
This one, just we are bringing it this side. Suppose area is equal to, we know, half into base into height. Isn't it? We are asked to find breadth. What is breadth? What is breadth? Then we have to transpose half to the left side. H also to the left side. So half to the left side, H also to the left side. So what will happen? Half means when you take it to the left side, denominator will become numerator.
Numerator.
Isn't it? So 2
Yes, ma'am.
times a. Then this numerator will become denominator h. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So base is equal to what? 2 times area by height. Same way, 2 height is equal to what? Same way, 2 times area by base will come. Same thing. Instead of height, we are transposing base. If you want to find height, we will transpose base to the left side. So the formula will become 2 times area by height if you want to find the base, and 2 times area by breadth by base if you want to find the height. Clear? It is a formula. You just transpose. When you get the equation, simply transpose using the rules of simple equation. Okay. No need to find the formula and all. No need to learn this formula. You can transpose when it comes to you. Okay. When it comes like this, children, the question is like this. One question you take, base is equal to 15 centimeter. And height is not given. We have to find the height. Okay. Then it is given area of the triangle. Area is given 87 centimeter square is given. Now, we have to find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle it is given. Okay. So what is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. Correct? Half into base into height. Now, area is given 87 is equal to half into, what is base? 15. What is height? It is not given. We want to find out. So what we will do? To find height, we have to make
Ma'am, 2 into a by
stand there alone, no? Height will should stand there alone.
Ma'am, that means
Half
2
and
into
fif-
87.
Yes, half and 15 we'll bring to the left side. So it will be half will become 2. 2 into 87 by 15.
15.
H is
Ma'am, 2
equal
into
to.
87 is
So what is the final answer? You will get H is equal to
ma'am, 174 is
87. Half into 8. So
ma'am,
it is.
half or multiple.
Find out the answer.
Ma'am, 2 into 87 means we have to double it, right?
Yes, multiply by 2. That's it. Then divide by 15.
Ma'am, 174, ma'am.
No.
174 by 15, right?
Find out the answer.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody got the answer? Yes.
Ma'am, 1 second.
87 into 2. Multiply.
Ma'am, the last we get a balance like.
Or you divide 87 by 15, children. Then multiply by 2. That is also correct. 87 you can divide by 15, no? Then what will you?
11.2.
Yes.
Ma'am,
11.6.
11.2 centimeter.
Is it 2 or 11.6?
11.6 centimeter.
11.6 centimeter. This is the correct answer. 11.6 centimeter. 11.6 centimeters is the answer.
Ma'am, can you show the calculation?
87 into 2. Okay. You can, this 15 divided by 87. How many times 15 will go? 15 into 5. What is it? 75, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, 15 into 6, what will you get? 90, isn't it?
90. Yes, ma'am.
So,
So
we can take only 15 into 7. Sorry, 15 into 5 only we can
5,
take
ma'am.
maximum. So, you will get only 75, right?
Yes, ma'am. 75. 75.
Then, what is the remainder? Again, you will get 12,
12.
right?
12. Yes. Yes.
So, you cannot divide 12 by 15. Clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So just you can put a point here and add a decimal here. See, sorry, decimal there and put a 0 there. And then multiply, when then divide it, what will you get? How many times in 120? 15 into maximum. How many times it will go? 15 into 9, what will come? 45, isn't it? So 135 will come. So less than 15 into 8, just check 15 into 8, children. 120, right? 15 into 8.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, 15 into 8.
120.
Ma'am, 15 into 8 equal to.
How much?
120.
Ma'am, 85. 15
Huh?
into 8.
120, no?
Ma'am,
15 into 8.
120.
Check it. 15 into 8. How much?
120.
Sorry, ma'am,
Ma'am,
120.
we get 120, ma'am.
You got it now?
120.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Eight.
So 5.8 you got? Got it? 5.8 here?
Yes, ma'am. 5.8.
5.8 you got. So we have 5.8 is what? 87 by 15 you got 5.8. So 5.8 into, sorry,
Ma'am, into 2.
2.
I mean, 5.2
Multiply by
into
2. So what is the answer you get? 5.8 into 2.
11.6.
Answer is 11.6 centimeters.
Or we can do it like
Ma'am, 11.
You multiply by, you can do it by
87
multiplying 87 by 2 first.
by 2, then dividing.
You can, that also is
Okay,
possible.
so one more question.
Something is coming, my dear. I don't know what it is.
Okay,
Some
so,
pictures are coming. See,
Performing Zoom.
Something is
Ma'am,
coming.
I think the voice assistant is on, ma'am. That is why
Voice
when
assistant
you
is on.
talk, some shapes are popping up.
Yeah. 1 minute. Let me
I'm in the right side.
share. Okay.
Ma'am, on the right side, you can see that voice
speaking.
that it's blinking.
Yeah. It is
Ma'am,
on. Okay, now have stop it. Yes.
Can you give one more question?
Okay. One more question I'll give you. Take another question. Next question also. What is the time, children? 5 more minutes, no?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Ma'am, 7
7
more
more
Time
minutes.
is there,
Seven
time
minutes.
is
Okay,
there.
one more problem we
Ma'am,
can
7
do.
more minutes.
Ma'am, I think we
Height
can
is
do
given.
2 more, ma'am.
See this
Time
one.
is there.
Height is given 31.4 millimeter.
Ma'am, Risa asked, can I leave and join?
Okay.
I'm unable to
The
hear.
next area is given 1256. 56 millimeter square. Height is given 31.4 millimeter. Area 12.5. 1256 millimeter square. So find out what base. Can you do it yourself? Do it. Come on. Let me take the attendance by the time. Yes, it is 17. Right. Abhyuday George is present. Abhyuday George. Absent. Aldos is there. Amar Jishad. Ameya. Amjit. Amidayam Vinod. Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ananda Krishnan.
Present, ma'am.
Ananya. Ananya K.
Present.
Videsh. Present. Anna present.
Present, ma'am.
Anthony Vijo. Anthony Vijo is present.
Present, ma'am.
Ashish Unni. Present. Ashram Krishna was there. Asna Fatima.
Present, ma'am.
Asna
Present.
present. Ashwant.
Present, ma'am.
Atul Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Ayan. Present. Ayush Tej. Is present. Absent. Balashankar.
Ma'am, Ayush and Balashanga have said present, ma'am, in the chat.
Absent. Devaganga Santosh. Absent.
Absent.
Devika Prabil.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Namasya. Absent. Fidel Babu was there. Isn't it? Fidel is present, right?
Yes, ma'am, I am present.
Francis is present. Geetika is present. Gauri present. Okay, Harriet Xavier.
Present, ma'am.
Iba Fatima.
Present, ma'am.
Kanishk is
Kanishk is present.
present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kanishk, I see. What about Kanishk?
Ma'am, he told that, ma'am, you have
Yes,
disabled
I
audio.
cannot
He
unmute.
told.
Okay. You can see Ismail is there. Ismail, Suhin.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Kanishk present. Malavika Bini. Absent. Yasin was there. Nia Nelson. Nia. Okay, absent. Smriti Ramesh is not there. Sri Lakshmi
Present, ma'am.
present. Isn't it? Sri Lakshmi is present.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Sri Rudra. Srirudra.
Srirudra is present.
Present.
ma'am.
Steve is present. Vinayak Aryan. The spirit he is not present, I think. Absent. Okay, Brisa was there, but she was not there. Brisa is there, okay. Vaiga was there. Seba Mariam. Absent. Maria is there. Okay. Children, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody got the answer? Okay, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 80.
Ma'am, A.
Hmm?
80.
80. Ah, correct. Oh, base it is, no? Okay. Base is 80 millimeter. 80. 80 millimeter.
Yeah.
That's the answer.
I can show it in the question. Ma'am.
It's 1256, no? 1256 into 2. Multiply 1256 by 2.
Ma'am, can you show
Steve,
the board?
Steve, just multiply 1256 by 2. What will you get? 1256 you divide by 2. One, 2, 5, 6. 1 minute.